back with day 2 of our pre-K and first grade homeschool fall unit. We're going step by step through this unit all week. Follow along if you want to see the rest. We always start our day reading picture books. We're going to read Leaf, this adorable bear book today, and then we'll read Leaf Man, our picture book of the week. For math today, we're working on counting and matching dots and numbers in preschool. Then for first grade, we're building on yesterday's ones and tens activity, adding in a second mat, and doing some double-digit addition. We'll build on this skill throughout the week using those base 10 concepts to really solidify things. If you saw the video from our last unit, you saw me talk about ways to manage independent play for one child with a more time-involved activity for the second child. We talked about that as a way to homeschool multiple kids and not lose your ever-loving mind. This unit is a little different. We're going to talk about ways to incorporate many different age levels and skill sets into a single activity so you can all be doing the same activity, but everyone gets something different out of it. Here's an example. We're going to use this fan to blow these leaves around the room. I actually have 2 sets of leaves. One set has letters on it. Second set has some high frequency words on it. I'll have the preschooler chasing the letter leaves, then calling out what letter they have each time they catch one. I'll have the first grader chasing those high frequency words and reading those as they get caught. Both doing the same thing, both getting what they need out of it,